The moon has captivated humanity for centuries as a natural wonder. Its mysterious presence has fueled speculation and inspired awe. Some theories suggest it could be an alien structure, while others propose it as a fragment of Earth rotating in its own orbit. Despite numerous attempts to explore the lunar surface since the 1960s, no single explanation has fully encompassed the moon's complexities. However, a recent revelation by Joe Rogan has shed new light on hidden information NASA has kept from the public. What surprising information has Rogan uncovered this time, and how does it reshape our beliefs and knowledge about the moon? Join us as we uncover why Joe Rogan believes the moon is not what we think. The journey from curiosity about the moon to finally landing on its surface was an extraordinary feat, driven by scientific exploration and the unyielding spirit of human exploration. Curiosity led our ancestors to observe the moon using limited tools. They carefully documented the moon's phases, figured out the duration of lunar eclipses, and associated the moon with various myths and legends. As time went on, scientists like Galileo Galilei made telescopic observations, igniting even greater curiosity. In the mid-20th century, the space age commenced, ushering in a new era of space exploration. The launch of Sputnik by the Soviet Union in 1957 and Yuri Gagarin's orbit around the Earth in 1961 intensified the global race to explore the moon. Under the leadership of President John F. Kennedy, the United States set an ambitious goal of landing astronauts on the moon before the end of the 1960s. Driving this mission was NASA's Apollo program, which involved years of research, development, and testing. The Apollo missions began with unmanned missions to assess spacecraft and equipment. The tragic loss of the Apollo 1 crew in a fire during a ground test was a devastating setback, but it prompted significant safety improvements. Then, on July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 lifted off from the Kennedy Space Center, carrying astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The spacecraft covered over 240,000 miles to reach the moon. On July 20, 1969, the world watched with awe as Neil Armstrong took his historic first steps on the lunar surface, capturing the imagination of millions and leaving an indelible mark on human history. His famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," resonated across the globe. Even after more than half a century, the Apollo mission continues to captivate our curiosity, and we still have many unanswered questions about this remarkable mission and the mysterious celestial body we have spent billions of dollars exploring. Now, renowned podcaster Joe Rogan has brought attention to some intriguing discoveries regarding the moon. He has shed light on unexplained phenomena and activities that have sparked speculation about the involvement of extraterrestrial forces. These revelations have generated significant interest and discussion among the public. But before we begin, let's explore some important context. The Apollo 11 mission stands as one of humanity's most extraordinary achievements, marking the first time humans set foot on the moon. However, significant advancements have been made since then, making lunar missions more feasible. Recently, the renowned scientist Michio Kaku shared his thoughts on efforts to recreate this historic feat. China has taken a noteworthy step by sending a robotic spacecraft to collect lunar samples, adding intrigue to the ongoing lunar exploration saga. Kaku extended his congratulations to China for this remarkable achievement, emphasizing that they have now become the third country to accomplish this feat, following the United States and the Soviet Union. It's intriguing to see how China seems to be following in the United States' footsteps while taking shortcuts to make impressive progress. What's even more fascinating is the perspective shared by Michio Kaku, who believes that although we may not have a traditional space race like in the past, it is still crucial to consider the military implications of space exploration. He wisely points out the potential sinister motives that could emerge as frequent visits to the moon become more common. Major powers such as Russia and China are actively developing hypersonic drones, which are rapidly becoming the preferred choice of weaponry. Kaku's opinion is that the moon itself doesn't hold significant military value since it takes only a few days to reach it. This realization sheds light on the deeper strategic aspects of space exploration and the potential military implications it may bring. However, The race for advanced weaponry on Earth, particularly the development of hypersonic drones, raises legitimate concerns. This is where the United States Space Force comes into the picture. Initially, some people may not have taken its establishment seriously, but upon closer examination, it becomes evident that it serves a crucial purpose. The United States controls over half of Earth's satellites, which are crucial for protecting our economy and communication systems. The Space Force safeguards these assets, recognizing the importance of space defense. However, it's important to avoid an uncontrolled arms race. Michio Kaku also highlights covert U.S. moon exploration efforts. Now, let's explore the role of private individuals in space exploration. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, two visionary entrepreneurs, are likewise advancing space exploration. Musk aims to establish a multi-planet society, expanding human presence beyond Earth. Meanwhile, Bezos envisions Earth as a pristine park, moving heavy industries to space for a cleaner planet. Both embrace space's resources and potential, but their differing views on space's future add intrigue. The private sector drives innovation, shaping human presence in space. Private involvement sparks cosmic fascination. Elon Musk even sells lunar tourism tickets, making moon honeymoons a possibility. These mind-blowing prospects for our grandkids show that space exploration is bustling with activities. While reaching the moon may hold little military value, conflicts on Earth unfold faster. Yet, hypersonic drones raise concerns as favored weapons. Russians claim operational hypersonic weapons are outpacing the United States, and China is actively pursuing this same technology. Now, a strange discovery has gripped the attention of researchers. They have confirmed that water exists in tiny glass beads scattered on the moon's surface. China's Chang'e 5 lander made this groundbreaking find during its successful mission, leaving everyone puzzled. Imagine the excitement that followed when these water-filled beads were carefully collected and examined. The findings of this remarkable study, published in the prestigious Nature Geoscience journal, have cast a radiant light on the enigmatic nature of lunar water. Moreover, they have sparked a wave of curiosity and anticipation regarding the implications of this discovery for the future of space exploration. As a result, a team of dedicated researchers embarked on an extraordinary journey of scientific exploration, meticulously examining a collection of 117 spherical glass beads. These precious artifacts were handpicked from a lunar soil sample ingeniously collected by the robotic arm of the Chang'e 5 lander during its ambitious lunar mission. These brave scientists delved deep into the secrets of these lunar treasures, utilizing cutting-edge techniques such as field emission scanning, electron microscopy, electron probe microanalyzer, and Raman spectroscopy. And what they unveiled was truly remarkable. With utmost precision and skill, they confirmed the presence of water concealed within these remarkable glass beads. Scientists have long been intrigued by the mysteries surrounding water on the moon. They have sought to understand its origin, distribution, and how it has evolved within the lunar regolith. Recent revelations about lunar water have significantly contributed to our expanding knowledge, according to Joe Rogan. These findings hold remarkable significance for future lunar surface explorations, marking a pivotal moment in our cosmic journey of exploration. The Chang'e 5 mission, launched by China in December 2020, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. Its primary objective was to retrieve the freshest lunar samples ever obtained and safely transport them back to Earth. Equipped with a remarkable robotic arm, the Chang'e 5 lander achieved this feat with precision, meticulously collecting samples and securing not only invaluable specimens, but also those mesmerizing glass beads containing water, which have captured our collective imagination. However, Michio Kaku, a sage in the field, suggests that the scarcity of water findings on the moon can be attributed to the extensive time gap between surface missions. Before the Chang'e 5 mission, the lunar surface had not witnessed a soft landing since the Soviet Union's Luna 24 mission in 1976. A staggering 37-year hiatus left a significant void in our lunar exploration efforts. Nevertheless, the future appears promising, with exciting initiatives on the horizon. NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program is set to unfold a series of missions, including the eagerly anticipated Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration rover, scheduled to touch down near the Moon's south pole before the end of 2023. This groundbreaking mission. While concrete evidence of ice may take time to surface, experts remain optimistic, knowing that these are the initial signs of water presence. Previously, it was believed that water could only exist within the Moon's dark, shadowed regions. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The lunar landscape, once thought to be a barren and desolate place, is revealing itself to be full of newfound mysteries. And guess what? Joe Rogan has some mind-blowing insights to share about the Moon. He's not keeping it all to himself, and we're in for a treat. So, get ready to be amazed as Joe Rogan dives deep into why the Moon isn't exactly what we think it is. But before we find out what Joe Rogan has discovered on the Moon, let's find out where the Moon is from. What do we know about the Moon? Where is it from? The Moon, Earth's sole natural satellite, has captivated humanity for centuries due to its serene beauty and mystical presence. It has served as a wellspring of inspiration for innumerable myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. Unraveling the mystery of the Moon's origin is a fascinating and intricate quest that has engrossed scientists for decades. Throughout history, diverse theories have emerged in an attempt to elucidate the genesis of the Moon. Among these theories is the fission theory, first proposed by George Darwin, the son of the esteemed scientist Charles Darwin, in the late 19th century. According to this theory, the Moon was once a constituent part of the Earth. It posits that the Moon originated from a rapidly rotating Earth, which gradually bulged at the equator due to centrifugal force. As the bulge expanded, it eventually separated from the Earth, giving rise to the Moon. While this theory offered an explanation for the Moon's resemblance to Earth in terms of composition, it fell short in accounting for certain crucial aspects, such as the Moon's current orbital characteristics. Another prominent hypothesis is the capture theory, formulated by the German astronomer Michael Albrecht in the early 20th century. This theory postulates that the Moon initially existed as an independent celestial body and was subsequently captured by Earth's gravitational pull. However, the capture theory encounters considerable challenges when it comes to explaining the Moon's circular orbit and its relatively diminutive size compared to Earth. One of the most widely accepted theories today is the giant impact hypothesis, also known as the Big Splash theory. Proposed by William Hartmann and Donald Davis in the mid-1970s, this theory proposes that the Moon emerged as a result of a colossal collision between Earth and a Mars-sized celestial body called Theia during the early days of the planet. According to this hypothesis, the intensity of the impact caused a substantial amount of material to be flung into space, subsequently coalescing to form the Moon. The giant impact hypothesis successfully accounts for several crucial characteristics of the Moon, including its size, composition, and orbital traits. Moreover, it provides an explanation for the absence of volatile elements on the Moon's surface. This theory has garnered significant support through computer simulations and presently stands as the leading explanation for the Moon's origin. While the giant impact hypothesis enjoys widespread acceptance, it is important to note that the precise details of the Moon's formation remain subjects of ongoing research and debate. Scientists persist in refining existing models and developing novel ones to deepen our understanding of this extraordinary celestial entity. In recent years, advancements in technology and space exploration have furnished new insights into the Moon's origin. The acquisition and examination of lunar samples during the Apollo missions in the late 1960s and early 1970s have played a pivotal role in refining our comprehension of the Moon's composition and structure. Furthermore, robotic missions like the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, and the Lunar Prospector have supplied valuable data on the Moon's geology, gravity, and magnetic fields, further augmenting our understanding of its origin. What are the recent fascinating discoveries China has made about the Moon? China's recent mission to the Moon, Chang'e 5, has uncovered a series of captivating discoveries that challenge our preconceived notions and shed light on the Moon's mysteries. One particularly significant finding revolves around hydrogen in moon rocks, which has provided valuable insights into the Moon's magnetic field. This groundbreaking research reveals how hydrogen becomes bound to rock grains under specific temperature conditions, suggesting the existence of a vast lava ocean in the Moon's past. This hypothesis gains credibility from magnetohydrodynamics principles, which propose that molten silicates infused with magnetic elements could generate a global magnetic field. The presence of hydrogen in moon rock serves as a crucial clue, indicating the existence of a widespread magma ocean on the lunar surface. This not only has the potential to generate a magnetic field, but also influences the overall environmental temperatures. Moreover, the presence of consistent crater densities on both sides of the Moon challenges the assumption that lunar bombardment and asteroid impacts would erase any magnetic imprints on the Moon's surface. The role of hydrogen in moon rocks aligns seamlessly with the theory proposing a richer lunar magnetic history than previously believed. This nuanced narrative suggests that the Moon, once viewed as a passive observer of space's violent forces, may have experienced a dynamic magnetic history. The hydrogen-infused moon rocks offer a glimpse into an unexpected past, indicating that magnetic fields played a crucial role in shaping and preserving the lunar landscape amidst the chaos of asteroid impacts. In essence, the Chang'e 5 mission not only adds new dimensions to lunar exploration, but also challenges our assumptions, expanding our understanding of the Moon's magnetic properties. Another recent discovery that has captured the attention of the scientific community is the detection of surface water on the Moon. NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, known as SOFIA, has played a pivotal role in uncovering this lunar secret. Equipped with a powerful infrared telescope, SOFIA can observe the cosmos without the limitations imposed by Earth's atmosphere, providing unprecedented clarity to unveil the mysteries of the universe. Led by Dr. Hannibal and her team, SOFIA set its sights on the magnificent Clavius crater, the second largest visible from Earth. Stretching an impressive 231 kilometers wide and delving 35 kilometers deep, this colossal crater serves as evidence of the Moon's fascinating geological history. Within its boundaries, SOFIA's instruments revealed an unmistakable presence of water molecules, adding another piece to the intricate puzzle of lunar water distribution. This remarkable discovery transcends our previous understanding of the Moon, offering new possibilities for sustainable lunar missions, resource utilization, and potential human settlements. Dr. Hannibal's groundbreaking research has pushed the boundaries of our knowledge, revolutionizing our perception of the Moon's capabilities and expanding our horizons for further exploration of our lunar companion. When the Apollo astronauts first set foot on the lunar surface, the Moon was believed to be a barren expanse devoid of water. However, the rocks they brought back whispered a mysterious secret, hinting at the presence of water on the Moon. Unfortunately, these groundbreaking findings were initially dismissed as contamination, momentarily dampening our thirst for lunar knowledge. Nevertheless, a paradigm-shifting revelation has reignited our curiosity. Water does indeed exist in our celestial neighbor. This astonishing disclosure not only transforms our understanding of the Moon's composition, but also opens up exciting possibilities for future exploration, inviting us to reimagine our cosmic understanding. Additionally, China has recently made a remarkable discovery of a new mineral on the lunar surface. Amidst the Moon's dusty regolith, Chinese scientists stumbled upon a transparent crystal, which they named Change-Sai-Tui. This groundbreaking finding places China as the third nation, after the United States and Russia, to identify a new rock type on the Moon. The revelation of Change-Sai-Tui emerged from a meticulous collection of lunar regolith gathered by the Chang'e 5 rover during its lunar expedition in 2020. Thanks for watching another episode. While you're still here, click on the other videos you see on your screen right now.